Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated muscle cars of the year, the 2025 Shelby GT500. This legendary name carries a legacy of raw power, aggressive design, and high performance, and the new model takes things to an entirely new level. If you've been craving a car that blends American muscle heritage with cutting-edge technology, the 2025 GT500 is built just for you. Let's get into why this beast is turning heads and dominating the streets. From the first glance, the 2025 Shelby GT500 screams power. Ford has maintained the aggressive styling that fans love, but they've refined the design to give it a more modern edge. The front grille is larger than ever, feeding air directly to the monstrous engine that lies beneath the hood. The iconic Cobra emblem sits proudly in the center, reminding everyone this isn't your average Mustang. Flanking the grille are sleek, angular LED headlights that give the car a fierce stare, while massive air vents and a front splitter keep the car grounded at high speeds. The hood features bold lines and heat extractor vents that not only add to the aggressive look, but also improve aerodynamics and engine cooling. From the side, the 2025 GT500 boasts a low, wide stance that hugs the road. Prominent fender flares house large 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. Behind those wheels, you'll find Brembo brakes, a necessary addition to handle the incredible power this car generates. At the rear, a massive carbon fiber wing sits atop the trunk, providing critical downforce during high-speed runs. The quad exhaust tips growl with authority, and the taillights retain that signature Mustang 3-bar design, but with sharper, more refined edges. Every detail of the exterior is a perfect balance between form and function, making the GT500 as much a showpiece as it is a performance machine. Step inside, and the 2025 Shelby GT500 greets you with a cockpit that feels both luxurious and track-ready. Ford has elevated the interior with high-quality materials that give the cabin a premium, yet aggressive vibe. Recaro bucket seats, wrapped in leather and Alcantara, offer incredible support and comfort for both daily drives and spirited track sessions. The dashboard is wrapped in soft-touch materials with carbon fiber accents, reinforcing the performance pedigree. A flat desert steering wheel, covered in suede, features paddle shifters that provide quick gear changes when you're pushing the GT500 to its limits. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to prioritize performance stats, navigation, or essential driving information. In the center, a 13.2-inch infotainment screen runs Ford's latest sync system, offering seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Despite its focus on performance, the GT500 doesn't skimp on convenience. A premium Bang & Olufsen sound system is available, delivering crystal-clear audio when you're not letting the exhaust roar. Dual-zone climate control and ambient lighting further add to the comfort, making the cabin a great place to spend time whether you're cruising the highway or pushing the limits at the track. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the 2025 Shelby GT500 truly shines. Under the hood is a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. This makes the 2025 model the most powerful GT500 ever produced. The engine is paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring near-instant shifts and relentless acceleration. The 2025 GT500 rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the quickest muscle cars on the market. Ford has fine-tuned the suspension for a perfect blend of track performance and road comfort. Adaptive dampers adjust in real time, keeping the car planted through corners while still offering a smooth ride when you're not chasing lap times. In terms of price, the 2025 Shelby GT500 starts at around $85,000 for the base model. Fully loaded with the carbon fiber track pack, upgraded performance parts, and premium interior options, the price can climb to $15,000 or more. While that may seem steep, the level of performance and technology packed into this car easily justifies the cost. If this is the car for you, the launch date is February 25th at noon for inbound traffic, and the entry range takes more than 4,500 miles. For those looking to own a piece of American muscle car history, the GT500 offers unmatched power at a competitive price point compared to European sports cars with similar performance. The 2025 Shelby GT500 is more than just a car. It's a statement. It represents the pinnacle of American muscle, blending power, technology, and design into one breathtaking package. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or just someone who appreciates high-performance vehicles, the GT500 delivers on every front. Thanks for watching Car Lube. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Shelby GT500, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews. Let us know in the comments, is the 2025 GT500 your dream muscle car? We'll see you next time.